Hi guys, the Legend system. I'm gonna show you section of a comb. So check this out. So first come down and after make a section. We go under, section, under, section, under, section, 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 section. So when you make a section, you go toes to you. Make a gap, and you go, when you make a gap, you go straight away under. Straight away under. Under. That movement, that movement, that movement. So you slide, but be sure that your scissors are close. Don't do this, don't do this. Just always close. You slide in, you slide in. You raise up and you go. You slide in, you raise, you go up. Make a very small section, and you go towards the bottom. From the top, down. Section, 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 section. Enjoy!